right, here's the ingredients to these delicious pizza pockets. You will need the Joseph Lavish bread. You'll need mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, oregano flakes, pizza sauce, eggs, and a cookie sheet. Let's preheat the oven to 400. And then lay out one of the Joseph wraps and cut it into 4 quarters. Use a pizza cutter. You'll see the photo here. Then on each one, put a tablespoon of the pizza sauce. And then go ahead and just spread it around. Then add just a little bit of oregano flakes around in the sauce there. And then add 9 pepperonis to each one. 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese to each one. Then scramble an egg to use it as a wash. You're going to just use a brush and wipe it all around the edges so you can close this up. Fold it over. Use a fork to push it down so it gets that ridges like real hot pockets. Put them on a cookie sheet and into the oven for 10 minutes. Then go ahead and pull them out and get ready to plate up. How simple can that be? Yum. Even kids would like these. Now, for all 4 of them, it was 18 carbs. So each one is 4.5 net carbs. And these are delicious, you guys. And you can put pretty much anything you want in them. Ham and cheese. You can do steak and cheese. But I just thought I would go with the original pizza pockets. Hope you enjoy.